Smart technology is evolving day by day, and they are shaping and upgrading the lifestyle of men. In this video, we have packaged a list of smart gadgets for men that will interest you. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome back to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's dive straight to it. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Self-defense ring. Of course you need a smart gadget for your self-defense, and this one here is a stylish design for you. It's perfectly suitable for smart men, and it's designed in a way that the defensive side of the ring is hidden, so only you knows about it. With a press of a tiny button at the side of the ring, it quickly releases the built-in blade, saving you in times you need to defend yourself. The blade is so small but it's tough and sharp. It's a stylish gadget you need for your self-defense. Keyring cash clip. These days, we often depend on our wallets for carrying cash around, but what if you have a small cash clip that can save you, if you happen to lose your wallet? This cash capsule can securely fit just a single note, and it's suitable for any currency of your choice. The capsule is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, and it's extremely durable, and with the help of a special seal on its cover, it's waterproof and ensures water protection. The clip inside the capsule holds your note firmly and securely, until when you need it. The capsule can be attached to any keyring, and this makes it easy to carry on the go, so save yourself the embarrassment and uncertainties when your wallet is stolen. KeySmart Knife-Keychain. This is a foldable knife, yet it stands out by its amazing look and design. It's often difficult for anyone to correctly guess if it's a knife, but when you unfold it, you'll see the sharp and durable stainless steel blade. It's lightweight and compact, so you can carry it on the go. It also has a keychain-sized version that looks almost like a flash drive. It can easily be attached to any keychain. It has a magnetic closure, which makes it easy to handle up to 3 pounds of weight, and you can slightly pull to remove it when you need it. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Dragon gas lighter with knife. This gadget is made of durable zinc alloy. It has a knife which is very tough and elegant at the same time, but in addition, this is not just a knife, its handle also has an integrated butane lighter, making this dragon to spit fire with a push of a button. When the lighter is active, the dragon's red eyes will also light up, alerting everyone that the beast is alive. It's an amazing and stylish gadget you need to light up on the go. Metador mini pocket blanket. Looking for a portable and pocket-sized blanket that you will carry on the go? Then this one here is a must-have. This is a full-sized blanket that is designed to fit in your pocket when you're on the go for camping, hiking, beach vacation, and lots more. The blanket is made of nylon and polyester. It's both water repellent and puncture resistant, and it's big enough to fit you and your friend. In case you need to secure it from wind, you can either use ground stakes, or fill the special corner pockets with sand. When you're ready to fold the blanket, it only takes a matter of seconds, and as a result of its light weight, it's barely noticeable in your pocket. Honest 4-torch lighter. If you're looking for an amazing lighter that gives a strong flame, then you need to consider this 4-torch lighter. Its metal body looks awesome and elegant, and the light gives various bright colors. Refilling the tank is very easy, and you can also adjust the flames as you want. Amazing lighter for real smart men. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. VertiGo Lighter. This is an amazing lighter with 4-torch structure. When activated, it gives a beautiful color-changing flame that can easily attract everyone's attention. Its flame can withstand windy conditions. It's compact and elegantly designed, made for real smart men. Satechi USB-C meter tester. Okay guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Looking for a smart way to measure and calculate the power draw of your laptop, or any Type-C chargeable smartphone, then you need to give this gadget a try. By inserting this gadget into the USB-C port of your laptop, smartphone, or other smart devices, it will automatically show 3 measurements of voltage, ampere, and milliampere hours. It's also useful when charging your gadgets. You only need to connect the additional hub to the real-time output, and all the info will be completely displayed. So, even if you're an amateur, you will still be able to use this device without having problems. This is a smart gadget you need to record the exact power input and power output of your devices. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,